him. Then we got a Buick, and really don't matter what kind of car. And it has no volume at all. Nothing coming out of the speakers. Not a sound, not a sound. So we're going to be doing an amplifier, which looks something like this. I will show you a little bit more. We're going to go to the back and put this in. This is a Buick Encore. That's where it is. You just pull up this back unit right here up underneath the spare tire. What a great place for it, huh? Anyway, this is the part number 42338477, and that's the new one. Like I said, it's got 3 bolts on here. I'll show you that here just a second. It's gonna be a 10mm. I got 3 nuts on it. And then of course these just push down. They just push down. You use a finger, or you can just go with a screwdriver. Kind of push down with it like that. Pull. Might be easier with my fingers. There we go. That's an old one. Of course, you're just gonna reverse the process, putting in the new one. These are all, can't go in but one way, so can't mess those up. Alright, now put them back on your rail there. Push your seat back a little bit, helps. Leave this flat there to get that last one. Thanks for watching. Yeah, come on, Tim's Auto.